guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my new fidgets. Guys, I got these from Learning Express, so let's open them. First thing I pull out, I have my eyes closed, guys, is, you guys know what it is? Guys, this is my Poppet! My Poppet is first, guys. I'm so excited for this. Let's get it opened. I'm gonna set you guys here for a second. Okay. Sorry, guys. Trying to find somewhere where I can set this up where you guys can see it. Hi guys. Okay. I'm gonna set you guys down for a second. Let me cut this open. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh, guys, this is my very own first Poppet. Get that out of here. Okay. Here's my Poppet, guys. Oh my gosh! It's a little stiff because it's new, but yeah, 10 out of 10. I love it. I think this is the soft side. Not sure. Let's see. Yeah, definitely the soft side. So let's pop all this. Okay, here's the hard side. All right, second fidget toy. And guys, I have my eyes closed. Not sure if you guys can see that. Honestly, I have no idea what this is. I can't tell which one. It's oh guys, it is my Wacky Tracks. I'm so excited. I love Wacky Tracks. So, I'm gonna set you guys there again. And I'm cutting it right now, so. Last one. And there it is. It's green and pink. Guys, this is so cool, except it pinched me. So, yeah, that's it. And, well, not it for my fidgets, but that's my Wacky Tracks. That's it. Okay. I'm closing my eyes. Oh, I know what this is. I know exactly what this is. If this is the back, I'll turn it over. Okay, what did I get? Oh, I knew it! Okay, my light up tangle, guys. I'm so excited for this. Let's get it open. Cutting cardboard right now, so fantastic cardboard cutting noises. Awesome cardboard cutting noises. Okay, now it's almost out of the package. We just need to cut around here, guys. Okay. It's almost out, guys. It's almost there. Okay, we just need to get this plastic off of the back. Come Come on. Let me get this off, guys. This is going to take a while. Or maybe not. All right, I almost got it. I almost got it, guys. I almost got it. All right. Just going to cut into the plastic. I think. Yeah, okay. We did it. We did it. Okay, we opened it a little bit. It's almost open. It's hard to film with, it's hard to open something and film at the same time. Sorry, guys. That's that's why it's on the ground. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so cool. Sorry, I'm putting my cardboard over here. Oh, guys, it's even light up. Look at this. It's so cool. I love this. Awesome. Okay, next and the last one. Okay, the last one is, drum roll please, a marble mesh, guys. It looks blue in the camera, but it's actually purple. You guys can kind of see it, that it's purple, but it actually is purple. So, yeah, that's my marble mesh, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!